Our world is complex. We have so much to remember and keep track of. And there are many apps to help us stay organized. But the complex ones take up too much time and energy, so they're hard to stick with. And the simple ones only do one thing, forcing us to spread our information across multiple systems. This leads us to jotting things down on paper, which is easy to lose, or texting and emailing ourselves, which is easily forgotten. In this video, I'll share the one app I use every day to organize anything going on in my life. I've been a software developer at Google, Qualcomm, and a tech startup called Trustwork. But for over 6 years, I've used this app every day to gain clarity, stay organized, and remember things. Let's get started. First off, the app is called Tooz. Tooz is available on your computer at toozapp.com, and when you're on the go, you can use the mobile app on iOS or Android. The main purpose of Tooz is to write things down. Every day, Tooz opens to a blank place to write things down. I use Tooz every morning to plan out my day. I can reorder and move things around, and if I'm not going to get to something, I can select that thing and move it to tomorrow. My unfinished to-dos each day are carried over to the next day, and I can connect my calendar so I'll see appointments and events at the top of each day, so I can join a meeting and even add things to my calendar without using a separate app. You can also set reminders with your natural language, so if I have a friend named Mike who wants to have lunch on Friday, I can write down lunch with Mike on Friday at 1 p.m. and Tooz will automatically help me set a reminder, and I'll also see that on my day on Friday. That feature can be very effective for remembering people's birthdays or setting up repeating reminders. Tooz also has lists, which are a great way to organize related things. I have lists for meetings I've had, books I've read, blogs I've written, movies I've seen, and even things like bucket lists, a grocery list, goals lists, and even for important people in my life. If I'm ever feeling overwhelmed or confused, I'll simply make a list, write some things down, and feel much better. Lists and even things can be quickly found with search. Lists can be collaborated on with friends, family, even coworkers, easily shared as plain text, or you can share just the link, which can be accessed by anyone, even if they don't use Tooz. That's it. Tooz is my all-in-one solution to be organized, thoughtful, and productive. I use it to write, remember, and share anything. It's available wherever you are, and it's free, so it's accessible to anyone. It's a super simple yet effective tool for me to clear my mind and be more present throughout my life. All you need to do is write things down. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Visit writethingsdown.com to learn more, and have a happy Tuesday.